As I'm doing a bike check, start from front, work way back. Shadow, Conspiracy, old dirty grips, Colt, leader bars, chrome, Albies, die cut sticker, Colt CC1 frame, stock forks, Shadow Conspiracy little one peg, unsealed hub, laced to a Sunvilla rim, Animal Tom Whitewall 2.2, stock combo Colt seat, Cardinal sticker, followed by a Primo sticker, Aussie Twisted PC pedals, stock cranks, stock steel sprocket, KMC 410Z chain, I think, I'm not sure, stock bottom bracket, Animal Tom Whitewall 2.0, stock hub, steel peg, and Sunvilla rim, and here's the hub sound. And also kink the cable holder to clean my hub. Yeah, that's it.